Summertime and the wind is blowing outside indoor chasing. I don't know what I'm doing in the city. The sun is always in my eyes. It crashes through the windows. I'm sleeping on the couch when I came to visit you. That's when I knew that I could never have you. I knew that before you did. Still I'm the one who's stupid. And there's this burning, like there's always been. I've never been so alone, and I've never been. Visions of you on a motorcycle drive by, silhouette ash flies in your eyes, and you don't mind, you smile. Say the world that doesn't feel like you, I don't believe you. You're so serene, careening through the universe, your rockets on a tilt. You're guiltless and free. I hope you take a piece of me with you. There's things I would like to do that you don't believe in. I would like to build something, yeah, yeah, you'll never see it happen. And there's this burning, like there's always been. I've never been so alone, and I say I've never been so I go home to the coast, it starts to rain. I paddle out on the water alone. Taste the salt and taste the pain. I'm not thinking of you again. Summer dies and swells rise. Sun goes down in my eyes. See the smaller moon, dark becoming. But take me home.